Here's a 52-inch unknown harbor breeze ceiling fan here at a friend of mine's house. I forgot the model of this, so if anybody knows, just let me know here. First off, I'll show you the fan. As you can see, I just cleaned it. It was a little dirty. There was dust all over the blades. I just spent half an hour cleaning it, so anyway. Here's the light. It's got has two LED lights in there, so anyway. I'm going to show you the fan. I'm going to start with low. Very nice. Here. There's low. Anyway. Here's medium. Here's the top of it. Well, that feels good. Got the little light on right there to help me see a little bit. I'm gonna turn the fan on to high now. That's medium. Here's high. And here we go. There's the top of it. Oh yeah, ooh, that feels good. It blows a little air. Anyway. There's high. See? Really nice. Now we'll turn it to low. I have to get down a minute. I'm gonna find the reverse switch. Alright. There it goes, up a little bit. And there you go, that's low. There you go. That's low. There you go. Now I'm gonna turn it to off. And there you go. Hope you enjoyed it. And there you go. And there you go. And stay tuned for part 2. Until then, that's it.